back to another video. I got some Beamer content for y'all. And the very special surprise is right here.
CTS.
You see the stepped intercooler, my boy?
Final piece, my boy.
Here's the final piece for the helmet to be full bolt on.
Yeah.
So we did it last time to do the charge pipe and all that, so it should go a lot faster this time. And the helmet already got the tray too, so it should be pretty easy.
Oh, Pac-Man. You want to plug the screwdriver, right?
Yeah, pretty sure. Bro, I abused him this time, bro.
Over there?
Yeah, I abused him. Still some milky burnouts. And then one time I won the Q50 on the. Is it just one?
Yeah, just one.
On each side?
Yes, sir.
So there's 2 bolts. And then there's these clamps right here that I taught you guys how to do. So all you gotta do is just snake it out from the side with the flathead. That I'm gonna do right now while he's doing that. Same thing on the other side.
This is it, my boy. And then in December, just I would look like boss. I would look like chief. This looks all oily shit.
There's a clamp on it. You take out the clamp.
Oh, since you're here already, you wanna?
Oh, does this one not use it again?
Yeah, it's right there. You don't see it?
The black one.
What black one?
The black one.
Did we? No, cause this is the aftermarket charge pipe, remember? So we can leave it.
I mean, one of them's gonna carry the other one into it anyways. That was a little bit too easy. But it has the shit. Oh, it's been recording this whole time?
Has it?
Easy. Let me try to drop it right now. The intercooler, I mean, it should be easy. It should just fall out, right?
Yeah, cause
Oh man, I just disconnected it.
bolts are out and shit.
Because I don't see how else I'm gonna take it off. Like off the actual intercooler. Well, it's just there, like I can't move it, you know?
Yeah.
So it
I
falls
get
off
past
with
it.
it. Kind of stayed safe.
That shit was hella easier than before, dog.
Remember the first time we struggled to take it out? Right off the bat, weight's a big difference. You know, it's a lot heavier. It's a lot shorter, so. Sheesh, what does it look like on top of it?
Jeez.
Yeah, that's a good difference, bro.
Damn, dog.
Obviously, material. What is this made out of? Cast aluminum, maybe.
It feels light though, huh?
Yeah. Should have just one metal. This one's like half metal, half
The
plastic.
fucking welds are cool to be honest.
Yeah,
with you.
they are. They're
pretty
pretty
cool.
thick
Uh-huh.
for like high pressure, you know.
It's cool, the welds.
Slap it on or what?
You ready?
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
Might as well. You
No more heat soak. Oh, crazy. No more heat soak, boys.
Yeah.
I felt like you knew we were gonna struggle with shit and like you been hating shit, you know. So I
Yeah.
saw that. I'm like, oh shit, that's just clips it on, you know.
Yeah.
Hella easy and shit.
It looks like it should just fit on like you gotta stop one, you know.
Yeah.
All right. Is it already heated? No. Wait. They're just too fat.
Want me to push the fan back?
Oh, it's hitting the fan or what?
I think so.
What is it hitting?
This shit.
What did the instructions say that we needed to cut it?
It didn't say cut. It said just direct fit. You just push it in or what?
Get the cam! Get the cam! Get the cam!
It's recording still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me you did. Tell me what you did.
Free modes we did and shit, cause this is in the way. So we did the left side first. Pretty much tilted in, so we'll hit the hose and shit, you know. and just wiggle that shit in, pretty much.
Yeah. Basically, put like the I don't know what you call this, but like where it connects to it.
Yeah.
Basically, put that in first.
Because the other side has a lot of exposure, so it's easy, you know. So
put over there, we got coolant lines in the way and stuff.
Yeah. Now we just need to finesse the stupid the plastic shit.
Did I put it in the wrong hole? This thing. Oh, the guide. What? Oh, crazy, my boy. Look at that. Both ends are in, so. Well, they're not in, you know, but like.
Just finesse it a little bit.
Give me the booklet so this thing doesn't fall. That was super easy, man. It was harder to put the stock one in, remember?
Yeah. That's pretty dope, fool. So, it kind of was a direct fit. You just got finesse it, sort of.
BMWs like to get finessed, apparently. Here, I didn't tighten it all the way just to be able to put that one in. Yeah.
There we go. You see it? It's like fucking shifting.
What is?
No, like shifting to be like sit proper and shit.
Oh yeah.
Shit's dope.
I mean, we're done, man. What does that look like? Does it look fast or not?
What, in the front?
It honestly doesn't look that noticeable. I feel like
you can tell because the stupid the stupid wells giving it away, boy. Yeah. You know, come on.
Yeah.
Come on. You see the welds. But like it kind of it does, but kind of at the same time and shit, you know.
No, it's not as noticeable. Like on other cars, I feel like it's stupid, like stupid noticeable, you know.
Because it did say on the website and shit, it gives it the fucking the fucking stock looking shit, you know.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
So that's good. The clips, flash stage 2 plus. plus, my boy. And that's it. We done so. That's crazy, dog.
No.
What's up?
Don't tell me that, man. My boy, this shit's already in.
The clip?
Yeah, like it's on.
That's good. See, that's why I liked it when I saw this shit. Like, I saw the grooves and shit. Like, this shit is cool.
You see how far off it is? It needs to be right there. Let me finesse a little. Oh wow, that was wow. Okay.
Don't tell me that shit.
Yeah, I literally just That was crazy. Look at the clip, man. Shit.
Way, bro.
I literally just moved it with both my hands. That's it.
So we do recommend getting the CTS Intercooler.
Highly recommend.
Very simple. And that's it?
No, hold on. It's not it on the sides.
I was about to say, God damn, my boy. Yeah.
Oh damn, 30 minutes. It's not a bad install time. So that's as close as I got it to sit right there. You guys can see this. It doesn't go all the way in, but it's there, you know, and it doesn't move or budge. Tightened up these two right here, or just one that I moved right here. Remember from our previous video, charge pipe has the silicone right here, easy access. So I just wiggled it around, finessed it, you know. So we're pretty much done. Everything's back on. Just gotta flash the state dose.
Bust up the money maker. And it's on the E25 mix too. So like it should be fast and shit. I did a pull.
You got E on it?
Yeah. I went a couple days ago to over there.
See, so this thing still has E2. So is that stage 2 plus on what, E25?
Yeah. Damn.
Show him what's up.
Stage 2 plus, bro. E20. Exhaust. Anti-lag, all crazy.
All the way up, all crazy.
Nah, I think I'm gonna turn up a little bit because I got the Intercooler, so it should be cooler. You know what I'm saying? I can pop more. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm feeling kind of.
This homie sent it all the way up to 2.5 seconds. Yeah.
Let's just try it out because I've heard it 2.5 and we do just for one time. Then I'll probably tone it down to fucking like 1.3
just to see what it's like.
Okay,
strictly for science.
Yeah, so yeah, reset my boy. Go back. Stage 2 plus E20. Let's overwrite this shit.
Oh, yeah, hit the button.
Quick.
Look how quick that thing is. Can I get it? Is it coming out? We're already at 70 something. All right, before we start driving this car, please smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. It's already done. Jeez. I wish my car took that. No, actually my car doesn't take that long to flash the tune. It just takes forever to tune. Success. Wait 30 seconds. You see it, my boy?
Stage 2 plus.
Just like that, man. Gotta love Beamers for that aspect.
Should we start it up?
It was already warm or what?
Sort of. It's cold, but I already know.
Oh, yeah.
Put the AC and shit. So like,
Yeah. Got one cut for the Beamer on my body. Officially bled for this car. It's like actually like not raining, but it's starting to come down a little bit harder and harder each time. But the Beamer's cool. If you guys can hear it, I think it sounds pretty. Sounds real good. It sounds stock, you know?
okay.
You wouldn't even think this car would gap you, but it will.
A little pause. Can we put it for the max, dog?
What'd you have it at before?
Like 1.
Oh, 1 second? And now it's at 2.5? Jeez.
Let's see what's up.
That's cool. Does it feel faster? Oh, crazy. Yeah, let's get it. Yeah.
But I think it was a fucking settle difference and shit.
Yeah. Because we weren't even going that fast. Damn, even the windshield wipers hella small, dog. You see how thin they are? Race car. Yeah, that's long. That's way longer than before, man. Is that how many pays? Is that? Yeah, is that how many pays?
God damn, bro.
Woo!
Okay, let me tell you. When it used to rain and I did a pull, I did not spin. Even in first gear and shit. Even first gear, I spun for quick second and it just quick and shit. Well, I think it's that stage 2 plus.
Yeah, stage 2 plus. Yeah, that wasn't bad. What was that? What were we going at?
Let's say, about, I'm saying, like, we did the speed limit.
Oh, yeah. Feels good, though.
First gear.
Sheesh. It like breaks traction and then it just grips it, you know?
Yeah, and everything's fucking all off too and shit.
Yeah. That's right though.
Yeah, so yeah,
Yeah. Es more noticeable now. like the noises it makes, bro.
Oh, even on the highway, because I was cruising yesterday on the highway and shit.
Yeah.
You know, I was downshifting and you hear the intake downshift and shit. It sounded so clean.
But I don't mind sound like that. Yeah, that's loud, bro. If I can hear it with the windows closed, it's loud.
And the temps are still low, fool, because usually when I pop too much,
It'll go up right away or what?
that shit would be so annoying. As long as it doesn't go, like, it stays in the middle, after using so much, but as long as it doesn't, like, go all the way, it just stays in it.
As long as it just holds it there, yeah.
I'll be cool with shit, you know?
Yeah.
Hold trip.
Jeez. What does it feel like, though? Or does it feel the same? All crazy. Sheesh. Oh, 350. Damn, bro, that's long, bro. That's long.
Yeah.
That's long, bro.
I need to go back to my 1.2. You ready?
For what?
You gonna do it?
Oh, crazy, oh, crazy, oh, crazy, oh, crazy. Yeah, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Never driven a fast car before. Yeah, I smell the E, bro. I smell the E. Oh, crazy. I'm driving. Alright, I forgot to end the video, guys. The camera died right when I was about to drive the Beamer. So if you guys want to see that video, maybe us driving each other's cars, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Smash that thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed the video. I'm excited. The 335 is more or less done with performance. It's already full bolt-ons on E. Maybe down the road there'll be some fuel stuff, but definitely more cosmetic stuff. But overall the build is somewhat pretty good. We're gonna do a lot of maintenance on the car to really learn the M55 platform. But so that's something to look forward to, guys. If you guys are excited, make sure to smash that subscribe button. We got a bunch more dope content. I wish this video could have been a little bit more exciting, but it was in fact raining. So right now I'm actually gonna go home because I'm pretty tired. I just got off work, but I forgot to end the video. So here I am right now, ending the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments below as well. Let's chat it up. I always answer every comment. I always answer every DM, so make sure to shoot it. We're on our road to 4K, guys. 4K. I'm gonna reward myself with getting something for the Z when that happens. So make sure to subscribe because I want to show you guys, and I'm excited to get it. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.